Today, this video brings 5 seasonal hot-selling products you shouldn't miss. The first hot-selling product is the winter dog coat. As can be seen from Google searches, the demand for this product surges in winter. There are many topic videos of this product on TikTok. Due to its practicality, this item has won the likes and attention of many people, showing that this seasonal offering is in huge market demand. This stylish, warm and waterproof product keeps furry friends warm in winter, making it a great pet accessory for cold days. It is equipped with a harness ring for easy pet leash attachment. It's surely a potential item for winter. The next potential item is the Christmas tree building kits. Google searches show that the demand for this product grows explosively every winter. Many TikTok users love and share videos about this item. It's novel and has been recognized by many Amazon buyers. This product can serve as a Christmas decoration or a music box, and is especially popular among children. With 316 high-quality building blocks that are easy to assemble and meets the needs for DIY holiday decorations, seize this golden sales opportunity to stock up this item quickly. The third recommendation is the 1000-piece Christmas Jigsaw. From Google search trends we can see that its demand is exploding. Moreover, buyers have loved and recognized this item in recent years. Made of 1,000 pieces of eco-friendly and durable materials, its complex design brings challenge and fun being the top choice, making it ideal for dropshipping to gain more profit. Get high-quality customized puzzle work from SourcinBox to meet your customers' various needs. The fourth one is the Baby Crinkle cloth box. The demand for baby products is huge, and this product has got much attention on TikTok because of buyers' recognition and likes. The overall rating is 4.6. Unlike traditional paper books, their textured tails provide sensory interaction. This soft animal-themed book is made of safe, waterproof, and easy to clean, making it a perfect gift for new parents. Add this potential product without hesitation. The last one is the funny crocodile slippers. The product video received many likes and attention on TikTok. It has a non-slip sole and a warm, comfortable lining, serving as a practical foot warmer for winter. Moreover, its cute and fun design makes it the popular gift, appealing to more consumers seeking novelty.